Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and it's so good to see you. And I have the most fun thing. I have this super whimsical item to show you. The company by the name of KYGMW approached me and asked me if I would show you something really cute and adorable. And I said, sure. So this is a fun website. That is the website, KYGMW10. I'll have them below. They also have a $10 off if you use their link. It has nothing to do with me. It's KYGMW. You go there and then you use those same letters with the number 10 to save $10. They have a lot of things like buy 3, get 1 free, buy 4, get 1 free, that kind of thing. And it's all decor items and whimsical decor items. So they have music boxes and crystal sun catchers and clocks and all kinds of resin statues and things like that. Their prices are pretty good, and they just they have some practical items, and then they have, like I said, a lot of whimsical type things. They have those beautiful pyramids that are crystal, and you can they see inside and they light up and stuff like that. They have a lot of fun things like that, and they say that their products are all high quality. And I got this, and I'm just smiling so big because when you all see this, you're gonna drop because it's the cutest thing ever. The cutest thing ever. Look at this, y'all. It's a cat. And if you can tell, this is all open. This is a big mouth here. This is called the Fortune Cat Storage Sculpture. It's resin, and it looks like ceramic. It looks like ceramic, but it is resin. And the box that it came in was in a plastic bag also, but the box was really dinged up, but it was in styrofoam. So it was well protected, and there's still a little bit of styrofoam that's, static cling on it. But isn't that cute? There is the cat that you'll see sometimes at the at a Chinese restaurant that has an arm, and you hit the arm and it bounces up and down, and it's good fortune. So that's what this is. And this comes in white, and this is pink here, and then also in a dark green, and there might have been some other colors, I can't remember. There is orange also, and then it has the gold trim. Look at the crown, and then the gold in the ears and on the nose and around the mouth. And then what you do with this could be by your bedside. This could be in a little girl's bedroom. I mean, there's so many things you can do with this. This you can put, like, walk in the house. You have it on your little table when you walk in, so you don't lose your keys. You put them right in there. Things like that. You could use your makeup of the day in there, your lippy and stuff, so that you don't lose it. And it just can hold things. So it can sit by your bedside and hold, I thought it would be nice to hold the eye masks that I like. So you can just reach in and grab one and put one on before you go to bed, or your lotions and potions and all kinds of things. It's just the cutest thing I've ever seen. And like I said, I'm looking right at it, and it reminds me of my childhood. Reminds me of the 70s, this particular piece, and it looks just like ceramic. It really looks like ceramic, but I'm happy that it's not ceramic because it won't break. I'm not saying it never would break. I'm not going to, throw it or drop it on purpose, but resin, holds up a lot better than ceramic would. And the way that the package was, it probably would have been broken had it been ceramic. So, but this, you can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really deep in there. You can really hold a lot of things in there. I just think a little girl would love this in her bedroom. I think I can leave this right here on my table, and I can put my lippy and eyeshadows that I use for the camera in here. I mean, or like I said, you come in and you put your keys in there so you don't lose your keys. I just thought it was the cutest and most whimsical thing that I have seen in a long time. So, and the bottom of it has a little felt pad so that it won't scratch, your surfaces. And then look at the detail on it. The gold is so pretty. A gold necklace, gold pads on the paws, and gold all around the mouth. And then here's the back of it. There's a cute tail. See, there's a little bit of that styrofoam still. It's hard to get that off because of the static. But the gold necklace goes all the way around. And then you have your whiskers and eyes and that beautiful crown. And I just love it. I just think it's the cutest thing. And it makes me feel very happy. Like when I do see that fortune cat at the Chinese restaurant that you hit, and the paw goes up and down and up and down. And it brings you fortune. So I just thought it was the cutest thing. And they have, they have several things. They offered me a choice of several things. And then their website, they have a lot more. I just thought this was the cutest thing for Mary Catherine Loves Cats channel. So I just love it. I just love it, y'all. So anyway, go check it out. And if it's something that you're interested in, again, it's a little early, but Christmas ideas, birthday ideas for little girls, I just think would like that the best. But I think any house, something a little whimsical in a house is fun. So like I said, when you walk in the door and then you have your little side table and you can put your keys in there. So they have clocks, they have beautiful pieces. So if you want to go check their website out, like I said, it'll be below. And that coupon is KYGMW. That's the website, and it has a number 10 after it. And that's not going to give you 10%. It's going to give you $10 off. So that is a good deal. And they just have a lot to choose from. So go check it out, y'all. And thank you so much for stopping by and seeing this. And if this doesn't put a smile on your face, if you're in a bad mood, this has got to put a smile on your face, y'all. Take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.